Greetings, salutations, all that good stuff. I wanted to make a quick video about something that I did for myself recently, which is I got some pop-on veneers. So they look like this, and compared to my natural teeth, there's just, yeah, I'm excited about it too, buddy. They just, they pop over your natural teeth like that. And, it is buck wild to feel for the first time in my life that I don't have to cover my mouth when I speak or close my mouth for pictures or anything like that. It's such a gift. And so I wanted to make this video for anybody that may have felt like me, because I was a little skeptical of trying the process, but it couldn't have been simpler or easier or quicker. So they mailed me 3 molds. I mailed the molds off, and then I got my veneers 2 weeks later. So yeah, definitely if you're skeptical, I wanted this video to be your sign that you should give it a shot, because I'm happy I did. So thanks for listening. Okay, bye.